It is Monday, November 27th. That's it. Just a few things I want to tell you about. Number one, don't forget our Christmas on Connecticut gift bag for $100. Sounds like a lot of money, but inside you not only get some accessories, but you also get 4 $20 bounce backs to be used in December, January, February, and March. And you have to spend 40 and you get 20 back. So that's basically 50% off. So you cannot lose. So don't miss out. It is a limited supply. All right, so over the weekend, we took a few markdowns and I wanted to show you what they are. We've got 3 different yarns at 20% off and you still have time to make something with them. So one of them is the Tula Tweed from Louisa Harding. It is a multi, it is a cable construction, and it has tweed. So it's a gradient with tweed and cable construction. It is made of wool and cotton, 49 wool, 26 cotton, super soft, and there is a lot of yardage. I have 4 colors, 382 yards, and there are several patterns to go with, okay? So I have 4 colors. This one, more of a multi. This one is sort of pastels, again, changing color, but pastels. This one looks like the same as the other one, but this is more pinks. Sorry, I haven't told you the price yet, have I? It was originally $30 a ball. It's now $24, okay? And this blue-green is the last one. So 20% off, that's a good deal. 1 ball will get you pretty far doing something. All right, and then everybody loves some cotton, right? Think about those washcloths. You could make a ton for Christmas. I have clean cotton multi from Universal. It's a cute little ball. I've got a ton of colors. It was $5 a ball and now it's $4 a ball. What? And there are 96 yards on each one. So I have speckles like this. I don't think that's all the speckles, but that's a sampling of the speckles. And I have some like denim-y looking sort of white and a color. There are several colors in this too. I think there's some blues and greens, but this is just a sampling. So you can't wash rags. You can knit up a bunch of wash rags, put them in somebody's stocking, or if you just have a trade gift that you want to give to somebody, you trade things back and forth, or if you have a price limit, $4, what? Perfect. And last but not least, this is the Cotton Supreme from Universal that I have left with a few cascades in there. It is a worsted weight. It is a worsted weight cotton, washable, wash dry, fabulous. It was $12 and it is now $9.60. So can't miss. This too is awesome. Well, this is awesome for baby blankets and for baby blankets and wash rags as well. So, and anybody that's allergic to cotton, it's awesome. All right, I am in touch with, as we do every single year, we have, we host or we take care of and we buy all the gifts for all of the residents at Friend to Friend. Friend to Friend is a safe house in Moore County where mothers and their children or single women who are feeling a need to get out of their house, out of a difficult situation, and they can find a safe space in Friend to Friend's house. And so every Christmas they have anywhere between 4 and maybe 7 adults, and then if there are children that go with those adults, we have them as well. So what we get is a list from each client. So each family makes a list. We have mom A, and then if she has boy, girl, boy, or whatever it is, we have their ages, their sizes, and their wish list, okay? We try and get the majority of their wish list, and usually we do because my clients My supporters of Bella Filati are so incredibly generous. So we can do it two ways. I should have the list but with the individual items. If you like to do your own shopping, I should have the list by Thursday, probably definitely by Friday, if you want to do your own shopping, which is great. Please come in, see what they have, cross it off, and put your name next to it. If that's not what you want to do, we would love to have a donation, and then we will collect all the monies, check. We can do it, credit card if necessary, cash, whatever you choose, and or PayPal. We could do that as well if you're out of town. And we will then collect all that money, and it's usually Ray and I, and we head out and we go shopping. And we take everything that has not been purchased on the list and we buy it. So every year we are pretty much able to do almost everything, unless their wish is kind of a little bigger than our budget. So anyway, that's the plan. So please think about that. We usually shop. I think we're going to deliver by the 22nd of December. So we have a little less than a month to collect our donations. And it's 5 o'clock. So there you go. Time for me to stop. All right, lots to talk about. The Christmas bag, you need to get it. The sale items that I just put on. And think about coming in and donating to friend. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.